Hi, I decided to make a tutorial on how to make tracks for tanks, mainly because a few of you asked me how to make the tracks. So yeah, I decided to just make a tutorial, so it will be all explained. So you get your tank here. I used one of my previous models I posted recently, and so you'll need to add a bezier curve and edit it a little, just to make it resemble the track's shape. Well, this will be alright, I think. And here, a little too high. And man, I forgot how to... Ah, okay, never mind. This need to be centered. Let's name this tracks curve. Add this to the collection, and yeah. So if you already modeled the track link for your tank, remember its origin should be at the same point as the curve origin. I have mine moved slightly to the side, and I'll just make a mirror modifier, and it will be on both sides. Well, so now we need to make this array and curve. Pick the curve you want to use on as the tracks curve. Alright. Something weird happened. I think I'll need to adjust this. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, I made something weird. Alright, I don't remember at the moment how to make this. So I'll just twist the link. Alright. Okay, now it's perfect. We need to make the count bigger and to make the links of the tracks overlap a little, so we'll lower the offset to like 0.9. Also, I'll check the constant offset. Whoa, what's happened? That's not the comma. Okay. Alright. Well, something... never mind. That's my first tutorial video, so please be patient. Nine. Okay, like this is good. Alright, so this. Yeah, maybe a little less, a little more. Okay, that should be it. So the tracks are now complete. They look, I think, good, and even if you select this, well, not the tracks, they'll... What? Not this object. Oh, they will move. So I think it can be used for some animation too. I don't really know. I only make static objects and models. So yeah, that should be it. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, leave a like, maybe subscribe to this channel, and yeah. Oh, and one thing. Please forgive me for all the mistakes I made in spelling some things. Spelling, yes, I think that's it. Because I'm not a native English speaker, so I have some difficulties. Yeah. Alright. That's all for the video. Goodbye.